안녕하세요.
Hello everyone!
저는 샤니입니다. My name is Shahani.
And I am Grace and welcome to
Ja-Mae's
Ja-Mae's Kitchen!
So for today, our Filipino dish will be a lumpia. So Ate Grace, ano ba yung lumpia?
Lumpia is basically a Filipino-style spring roll. And very common siya sa mga special occasions, weddings, birthdays.
Fiesta.
Yes, of course. And ito yung mga ingredients. We have lumpia wrapper or spring roll wrapper, spring onions, carrots, toge, Baguio beans,
And minced chicken, onion, garlic, bell pepper, pepper, salt, oil, and soy sauce.
Now, let's prepare the filling. Heat natin yung oil over medium-high heat. Add natin yung garlic and onion. Add the minced chicken and cook thoroughly for about 5 to 7 minutes. Season natin with salt and pepper. Add natin yung vegetables. Soy sauce, and mix it well. Simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then add the spring onion.
Remove it from the heat and then drain all the liquids. Set it aside until it cools down. For wrapping, gumamit tayo ng egg wash para isil ang lumpia. Deep fry until it turns golden brown.
Finally, luto na ang ating chicken lumpia.
Yes, excited na akong i-try to, kaya subukan na natin.
Okay. Yun yung sauce pala natin dito is yung sweet and sour sauce.
For more information of our recipe, please check the description below.
And please don't forget to subscribe.
다음에 또 만나요.
See you next time!
안녕!